What's up guys, today I'm going to be share with you the fastest way to make $300 or even more every single day with Clickbank, and making $300 will be very less and it will be complete passive income after I have shown you the process. So it's very easy, and be sure to stick with me so you do not miss any of the secret, okay? But before we get into the video, if you want to make $100 every single day with affiliate marketing, here is the 100% free training. Just check out the link in the description and you can easily make $100 every single day after this training. And also be sure to subscribe the channel for daily money making videos, entrepreneurship related videos and business related videos. Okay, so let's get into the video. What we are going to do, we are going to leverage the power of the Instagram, but a lot of guys are struggling how to get the followers. So I'm going to break down the three easiest way to get the followers. There are two, the two are the paid, but one that is free, that is really a killer move. Okay, that can also be a killer move. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to leverage the power of the Instagram to make the sales with the Clickbank. Okay, so making sales with the Clickbank is not very hard. You just need to send the quality traffic, and we all know that the ratio of the action takers on the Instagram is really 4 times higher than Facebook, YouTube and all that stuff. And really all those are really buyers, not just freebie seekers, they all are buyers. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to leverage the power of the Instagram. But how are we going to do all these things? Okay, so let's say we are in the niche of the dog training. So the first step is we are going to find a product related to the dog niche. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to come on the Clickbank and we are going to put over here the dog training, and we are going, instead of keyword relevance, we are going to sort it out by the gravity. Okay, then it is going to reveal all of the products that are really selling very well. Okay, so after that we are going to see which product is really bad, which product is really good. Okay, so look at this. If we are going to promote this product, we are going to get a $131 on every sale. Okay, average on every sale. Look at this, its gravity is 62, which is really good. Okay, it means 62 guys have sold in the last 30 days. Okay, and look at this, there is average. Look at the, first thing you need to look at this, whether there is recurring commission, and if there is a free $1 trial, the product really converts very well. Okay, and if there is an upsell, then really it is a really good sign. You can make money on autopilot with the help of recurring commission, and much more money with the help of the upsells. Okay, and initial dollar per sale, so 21, yeah, it is really gonna convert very well because the initial dollar is $21. Okay, so after that, if you want any to know about the upsells, you can go to the affiliate page. Okay, or you need to go to the look at the product, whether it is catching the eye of the customer. You need to think like a customer. For example, if what is the kind of the pages, is there any video on the page? If there is any video, then that is really going to convert very well. Okay, because that really explains very well. If it is going to tell about the pain of the industry, then also it is going to tell it is going to sell very well. Okay, so you need to look at all these things, whether the product is really good to gonna to perform good. Okay, and also just look from the side of your customer, not whether you are going to buy how I can promote this product. First of all, look at what is the solution that is giving. The much bigger the solution, the more easily you can sell the product. Now we have selected a great product. Now what we need to do, we need to make that product, we need to promote that product. Look at this, 2800 views. Okay, and over here 600 views. Mostly in the dog niche over here, the most of the video viral things are video viral. Look at this, 3400 views. Yeah, it's not that much. I don't it's not that much effective. Yeah, there should be a lot of kind of this is very less engagement. So what are the 3 things that we are going to look to make over $300, and how we can easily make $300 with that thing? Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to go on the Instagram and we are going to get the first 10,000 followers. And how are we going to get the first 10,000 followers? So first thing, the first method is to get the shout outs. Okay, So what do you need to do? Just search for your niche on the Instagram. Okay, shout outs are very powerful, that just a single shout out can easily give you over 1,000 followers or even much more. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to search for your niche, and after that you just need to select a guy. You just need to go to their profile. Okay, when you are going to go their profile, they have written in the kind of in their bio. Okay, whether they, when you are going to go over there, you can see in their bio whether they provide do shout outs. They may be telling like a DM for shout out and all that stuff. So you need to find which guy is providing the shout out. Okay, it depends on the how much the big audience they have. For example, a 50,000 follower guy, okay, with a good engagement can charge you over a $30. Okay, and so this is the ultimate way. You can easily get lots and lots of subscribers, plus they are highly targeted guys. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to do the shout out. After that, I'm going to share with you how are we going to promote the product. Okay, so the second way, okay, so with just one shout out you can get, let's say you have gotten only 500 followers. Okay, so once you have gotten the 500 followers, you can post and you can get lots and lots of likes. Okay, you need to do the mix. Okay, let me tell you, if you do not have that much money for the shout outs, okay, you can do the power likes. Basically it also going to require money. Okay, but power likes really works very well, because they are going to help you to make your picture go viral. They are going to help you to land it on the explore page. Okay, so you can really go to the a good service provider, like you can search it on the Google as well. Okay, and there are lots and lots of power liker service provider are there. Okay, you can pick anyone. Okay, and each of the one is going to give the likes within just 2 or 3 hours. Okay, and when you are going to get lots and lots of likes from the big accounts, then your account will start flowing. The Instagram will see that this post is really liked by the big accounts, so I should really put it on the explore page and see how it is going to work. So this is also one of the ultimate hack. Okay, after it has been landed on the explore page, if it really does well, okay, then you can really get tons and tons of followers. Even just a single post can give you over 2,000 followers, 3,000 followers. Okay, so to make the post viral, you need to search for the you need to go for the for your keyword. Okay, you need to search for your keyword, hash your keyword. Okay, when you're going to search for that, what you need to do, you need to see which posts are really people liking. Okay, you need to post the same picture again. Okay, just give the credit, for example, like repost @ hashtag Rabida rescue. Okay, so you need to do something like that, so you will not get any kind of ban and all that. Okay, so this is the ultimate tactic, and generally depends on the what kind of power likes are you ordering. The money depends on that. Okay, so the third, even if you do not have any money, so you do not need to worry, engagement groups. This is the ultimate tactic, which is completely free, and it can really blow up your account. Okay, so engagement groups are the groups where it's a community of about let's say of 50,000 plus followers guys. Okay, so if they are going to like a post of 1,000 follower guy, then the Instagram will see your post as viral picture, and it is going to promote your picture. Okay, so what we are going to do, let's say we do not have any kind of Instagram group, so we are going to reach out to 10 different guys. 5 different guys every single hour, and we are going to message something like, hello sir, I really like your post, it's really damn looking, you are providing a lot of value. I have an Instagram group of 50,000 plus followers with about 10 members. All are having about 50,000 plus followers. So would you like to join the group? Absolutely, 90% of the guys are going to be ready. Why? Just because they also want to grow their account. Okay, and if you are going to reach out to 5 guys every single hour, you can easily do this. You can easily get about 30 members every single day. Within just a month you will be having 1,000 guys, and if only 100 are going to like, 100 likes from big accounts can really blow up your account, and you can really then start making lots of money with lots of followers. So now you have gotten the followers, the tactic to get the followers. Let's say after using all this method, you have gotten the 10,000 followers. Okay, you have gotten the 10,000 followers. So what you need to do, you need to post a picture. Okay, you need to post a picture promoting like here is the free free cheat sheet on how to train your dog. Okay, you need to give the free cheat sheet on the Instagram, and you can tell them to check out the link in the bio, and you can also use a swipe feature. Okay, swipe to get your free cheat sheet book and all that you can do. Okay, so after that you need to send them to a landing page. After that you need to send them to a landing page, okay, where you are going to give them the freebie offer, and you are going to capture their email. Okay, and after you can capture their email, you can start promoting them product like one email, two email. You can send them the email, promotional emails, value email, whole life. Okay, then you can really make a lot of money with that. Let's say with just 10,000 followers you have only gotten 500 leads. Okay, 500 leads. Let's say your only and only 1,000 guys are gonna to go to your website, and 50% conversion, so only 500 leads you have gotten. Okay, what I will recommend you to go for the messenger bots. Do not just collect leads, but instead use the messenger bots, chat bots. Okay, so if you are going to use that, you will get easily 80% click-through rate, 50% click-through rate. So out of those 500, with those 500 guys, you can easily make $6, $5 per email. Okay, I'm sorry, $5 per chat bot. Okay, per lead. Okay, so if you are going to make at least $5, okay, then you can easily make $2,500 a month. Okay, you can reinvest that money into buying shout outs, power likes, and all that stuff, and then you can ultimately grow your account and making money. Now you have made the $2,500. Just keep reinvesting that, and you will be making way much more money than just $10,000. The next month your potential will be double, because this month you have made $2,500. You can easily make $5,000 next month by using the same free tactic, and even investing the $2,500 can result in you extra $2,500. So you have made $7,500, and you can then really, the growth will be exponential. Okay, so this is the ultimate tactic of making money over $300 every single day with Clickbank. Just guys, start taking action. Without taking action, you cannot really make money. Okay, just give your goals, like you want to make $100 every single day by the end of this month, and break it down like you just need to break down all of the things, like what you need to do after a month. Okay, so that is the ultimate key of making achieving all your goals. Okay, so you just need to take care of that. And also, if you want to make $100 a day, be sure to check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 every single day. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.